All right, what's going on, Lexus? We're back in my office. Real quickly, I wanted to go over something that I get a lot of questions about, especially over the phone. I get a lot of questions about it. It's my mirrors aren't folding in. Why aren't my mirrors folding in? If you have a newer car, the mirrors should fold in whenever you turn off and lock it. Now, there is a button to turn it on and off, and it's kind of easy to hit on accident. So real quickly, I wanted to take you out to the car, show you exactly where that button is, how to turn it on and off, and make sure your mirrors are folding in correctly. Come with me, and I'll show you real quick. All right, Lexus, we're back out here at the car. All right, so I was gonna show you where the button is to turn on the auto folding mirrors. It's gonna be right here on your car, right on the dash, right here. You see this button where it says auto? Make sure that's clicked on. If that light's green, that means that those mirrors are gonna fold in automatically whenever you lock and turn off the car. So let's get in. Let's turn off the car real quick. Let's get out. We're gonna close that door, make sure everything's locked, and then we're gonna lock it. And that's it. That's all we gotta do. And then these mirrors should fold in. If we're gonna unlock the car and open it, the mirrors are gonna fold right back out. All right, that's about it. That's all I got. Yeah, as long as that green light is turned on, your mirrors should fold in automatically. And remember, you have to make sure everything's shut and locked. That's important. Let me know if you guys need anything else. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.